Today, the Chinese Air Force emerges as a strategic power with a series of advanced weapons. These include stealth fighter jets, large cargo aircraft, strategic bombers, early warning aircraft, air defense systems, and tanker aircraft. Looking ahead, the Air Force might be able to develop a new generation stealth strategic bomber as well. This means China will possess a more comprehensive and powerful military strength. This will enable better safeguarding of its core interests, national security, sovereignty, and territorial integrity. J-35A, the superstar of the air show this year, has attracted attention from world media and military enthusiasts that have made the trip to Zhuhai. With the official commissioning of the J-35A into the PLA Air Force, China becomes the world's second country to operate two types of stealth fighter jets, experts noted.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.